sound.
Once again, a very decent morning to everyone. Dear children, you have to be very active. Don't be very dull. Once again, very decent morning to one and all. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and the respected teachers of the St. Mary family, and my beloved children. Myself, Mohan Krishna Gaur. I was the General Secretary of Kandur Private School Association, and moreover I was the principal of Akshara Concept School. And as I said that I was a student of, I feel proudly to say that I was a student of Jacinta Mehta. My dear children, today actually, on behalf of Private School Association, today we came here to facilitate or to honor your teachers who have been nominated or elected as the Best Teacher Award for the academic year 2024 and 25. They are none other than Srimati Pavani and Srimati Geeta Devi. So my dear children, give them a big round of applause. Once again, give them a big round of applause, children. So on this occasion, I want to remind you one thing that, so whenever the Teachers' Day approaches, from the last few decades onwards, we have been going on observing that the government is facilitating only the government teachers entire in the Telangana state. And once or twice, I think, by the pressure from the Private School Association, even the government has been given a Best Teacher Award for the private school teachers. But after that, again it was going on neglecting from the many decades onwards. So, we the Private School Association has been taken an initiative for the first and the foremost to facilitate or to honor each and every school, at least 2 teachers with the Best Teacher Award. So, as a part of it, on behalf of the association, today we have been came here to facilitate your teachers. So, my dear children, do you understand Telugu? My dear children, can you understand Telugu? Yes. So I speak a few words in Telugu. Yes. With the basics of it, with the permission from the madam, because madam is speaking for us. She never used to make us to speak in any other language, but moreover, now I was grown up, in order to make it to understand a little bit in our mother tongue, I want to speak a few words to you. ఒక తరం నుంచి మరొక తరానికి విజ్ఞానాన్ని అందిస్తున్న ప్రతి గురువుకి కూడా ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. సనాతన ధర్మాన్ని పరంపరాగతంగా పరిరక్షిస్తున్న గురుదేవులను స్మరించుకుంటూ నేటి పిల్లలే పావన నవజీవన బృందావన నిర్మాతలుగా రాబో తరం దూతలుగా తీర్చిదిద్దడానికి ఘనమైన అడుగులు వేస్తున్న గురువులందరికీ కూడా వందనం, అభివందనం. గురు బ్రహ్మ, గురు విష్ణు, గురుదేవో మహేశ్వర, గురు సాక్షాత్